Welcome to this video on how to submit the VAT201 return on SARS eFiling. To begin, log in to your SARS eFiling profile using your username and password. If you have multiple taxpayers on your profile, click on the ellipses to search the correct taxpayer you want to submit the VAT return for by using taxpayer name, registration or ID number, or tax reference number. Then click on View Taxpayer. Click on Returns at the top. Then click Returns Issued on the left-hand menu, followed by Value Added Tax, VAT201. Select the period you wish to submit, then click Request Return. If you are not required to submit for a return specified tax period, the following error message will be displayed. Ensure that the correct tax periods are selected for the VAT201 return to be generated for completion. On the VAT201 work page, click on VAT201 to open the return. The vendor return, VAT201, will be displayed for completion. Container headings displayed in red contain mandatory information to be completed. Once you have completed all the fields, the containers will change to green and the container headings will change to blue. Some of the container headings will be blue as they contain the pre-populated information such as trading or other name, the VAT registration number, the tax period for which the return is to be submitted, the payment reference number, which is the PRN, and the diesel rates to be applied for the applicable year in which the indicated tax period falls and according to the type of diesel activity for which the vendor is registered. Complete all the relevant information that is required for the processing of the VAT201 return. This includes Part A and Part B of the form, which is output tax and input tax. If you have registered for diesel refund scheme, then Part C of the VAT201 return must be completed. After all the fields are completed and containers are blue and you are ready to submit, click on the Submit VAT201 button. The message, "Your return has been successfully submitted," will be displayed. Click Continue, and the status of your return on your VAT201 work page will show File through eFiling. On the VAT201 work page, you can query the VAT201 status, request for correction if you have made a mistake, request statement of account, and you can query the refund status if you have a refund due to you by SARS. If there is money due to SARS, the buttons Make Payment or Make Payment Arrangement will be displayed. If your VAT return has gone for verification and SARS requires supporting documents from you, you will receive a link to upload the supporting documents under the Supporting Documents heading. Congratulations! You have successfully submitted your VAT201 return on SARS eFiling. SARS, at your service.